It's a super windy day here in Melbourne, Florida, and one of the empty hooks we have here was where that camo duck was that I put out this morning. So you can see all the little keychains shaking and shivering because the wind is blowing. I'm going to go ahead and put out this Star Wars character up here on the top. And it looks like we have some donations down here. These are 3D printed. I think there's a little ship. And I think this is a little dragon. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, this has got to be the cutest thing anyone has ever dropped off. Look at how cute this little elf on the shelf is. Alright, I'll take those in and turn them into keychains. Bye for now.